It's Miss Alana working on math, getting smarter and smarter every day. That's right. That makes us awesome and amazing. I know you're at home working hard as well. We are working on today's math assignment. It is Monday, December the 5th. Make sure you have your sheet. In this video, we are going to be working on measurement data, conversions in length. Right there, it's on the back side, on the top, on the right, so make sure you look at that. So let's begin by reading the standard. Read it with me either up here or on your sheet, okay? Measurement and data. Convert like measurement units within a given measurement system. MGSE 5, MD1. Convert among different sized standard measurement units, mass, weight, length, time, etc. within a given measurement system, customary and metric. Examples given: convert 5 centimeters to 5/100ths of a meter and use these conversions in solving multi-step real-world problems. All right, so do you see some keywords there? What keywords do you see? Convert, measurements. So we see mass, weight, length, and time. In this problem, when we are converting meters and centimeters, which one is that? That is length. So let's begin. It says, convert the following measurement units of length. Here is our conversion factor. It says that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Okay? And I need my ruler. Let me go get my ruler. You need to always make sure that you always have your tools with you, so when you need it, you have it. All right, so here is a ruler. We are not looking at the inches side. We are looking at the other side right here, centimeters. Bam, I have it upside down. Centimeters right there. Do you see that? And oh, look at that word. It says metric. So this is the metric system, okay? All right, so we have centimeters. So imagine it's like about the width of your fingers. It's like that is 1 centimeter. Now, if you look at this ruler, what's the highest, the largest number? It's 30. So this ruler, which is 12 inches long, which is a foot long, is also 30 centimeters long. Now, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So guess what? I need more of these to make 1 meter. Now, I don't have a meter stick. If you have one, let me borrow it. Bring it. I need to borrow it. So here, 30. So imagine if we count 30 and 30 is 60 and 30 more is 90 and then 10 more. So I'll give you an approximate, an estimate. It's about that. So if you stretch your arms out wide, let me see you stretch your arms out. All right, that is about a meter long. So that's about 100 centimeters, okay? So just stretch your arms out, bam, 1 meter, about, approximate, okay? So if I have 4 meters, 4 of these, how many centimeters is that? 100, 100, 100, 100. How much is that? That is 400. That's right. So I'm going to show you 2 ways. Let's see. Let's do it this way. That is 100, 100, 100, and 100, which gives you 400 centimeters. All right. Now let's look at the next one. 19 meters is equal to how many centimeters? Now, I need 19 of these, so I might need like 19 people. Let's line up together and figure out how many that is. So lots of different ways that we can figure that out. You can do 19 hundreds, which it might go over the paper. You can do that if you want to, or we can do an easier way, which would be what would be the easy way? You multiply. Look right here. We multiplied 4 times 100, which gave me 400. So I can multiply 19 times 100. Now, you could work out the standard algorithm and work it out that way, but you know what? I know you know of an easier way. We can write that 19 and then add those 2 zeros. Bam, bam. And look, I said 1900. And what is that number? 1, 2, 3, 4, a comma? 1,900. So if I had 19 meters, 19 of these, that is 1,900 centimeters. That means 1,900 of those. That's a lot of centimeters. Let's look at the next one. Paper falling. All right. The next one is 7 6/10 meters equals how many centimeters? Now, if you notice, right here we have whole numbers. This one's not a whole number. It's a whole number with a decimal. That means I have 7 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 6/10. That means part of it. Okay? What do we need to do? Let's do the easy way. Let's multiply. We are going to multiply 7 6/10 times what? Times 100. Now, remember, do you remember how to do that? I'll do it over here on the side, okay? So we have 7 6/10. And you have these 2 zeros right here. So what do we have to do? Add the 2 zeros at the end. Bam, bam. But look, that's the same number. So we need to move that decimal how many times? 2 times. We've done this before. 2 zeros, 2 times. 2 zeros, 2 times. And move it. Bam, bam. And it goes right there. So we have 700. Where do we write it? 760 decimal 0. Which is the same thing as what? 760. Okay? All right, or 760. You can write both answers, or you could just write one answer, whichever one you would like. All right? Thumbs up if you got that. Let's look at the next one. The next one says blank meters equals 300 centimeters. Whoa! What happened here? It's reversed. We did it back. We're going to do it backwards. So instead of giving you the meters, I gave you the centimeters. So 300 of these. 300 of these, but I only have 30. That means we need more. We need more. Now, you can figure it out. Look right here. Same thing we'll do up here. If 1 meter is 100, if I have 300, look, 100, 200, 300 centimeters, how many meters do we have? 1, 2, 3. That's 3 meters. Bam. And what do you see is the operation. What operation do we have to do? So for this one, we multiplied. For this one, we need to divide. We need to divide it by 100. So look at number 5. Blank meters equals 820 centimeters. Now look at the difference. See, this was not counting by 100. We have that extra 20. So we know we are going to end up with what kind of number? Ooh. It's going to be a decimal. Look, just like this one, 760, 820 will have not a whole meter, a part of it. So let's do 820. 820 divided by 100. Now, I am going to show you. Now, hold on. You can do the long way. You can do the regular division with that division house. Or we can do the shortcut just like how we did this one. Let's write 820. And I'll do it here on the side. 820. Oh, you know what? Let me move it a little bit. I'll do it over here. 820. Now, when we divide, instead of putting the zeros at the end of the number, where do we put it? In the front. So how many zeros do I put? 2 zeros. Bam, bam. And then what do I do? Move that decimal 2 times. Now, since you don't see it, where do we start? At the end, and we go bam, bam. 1, 2, and it goes right there. when we write that, I don't have to write these zeros because that's just an 8. 8 and 20 hundredths. And look, oh, bam, look. It's the same thing. 800 and the 20 hundredths left, okay? All right, now we are done. We are done with that one. If you need help with the other questions, make sure you find the other videos. Get your work done. I love you. Mwah.